Hey guys, we're on build day 9. I'm going to be running out of fingers here soon. Yesterday on build day 8, got the chain installed, we got some of the controls put up, final engine mount made, and the fork tube capped off. That was the other thing. Anyway, today on build day 9, what I've already kind of started doing is I'm going to get the rest of these controls and I want to get the electronics, the wiring done, or at least mounted up and close to where it's going to be. So far off camera, I just put the little kill switch on here. It's just one screw. I just went and threw it on real quick. Here is the rest of the electronics from the dirt bike, from the KLX 125. What I have is an ignition coil here, a couple of connectors which come from the motor, the stator, kill switch connector, and then the little ignition module. Anyway, I'm planning on cutting a couple brackets off of the old dirt bike frame and then welding them on here wherever I can get it to fit and line up. I'm not sure if I'm going to splice or lengthen any of these wires yet, but we'll find out here shortly. So here we go. That is the ignition coil mount. Let's cut it off. Got it. That is the ignition module mount. Go ahead and cut that off too. Might come off in 2 pieces, we'll see. Alright, well, somewhere in this general area is where the electronics are hopefully going to go. I've got my 1.5 brackets here. What I'm going to start with is kind of connecting the things that have to be connected and figuring out where a good spot for those to mount is. Okay, so that'll fit about like that, I guess. Normally I'd be a little worried about putting the ignition coil right here, but I do plan on having a stunt cage kind of covering this area, so I don't have to worry about this making contact with the ground. I think I'm going to call that good. Alright, you guys know the deal. We're going to tack it. Tack it. And then weld it. Just want to make sure the bracket hasn't warped or anything. Sure would be a bummer to get that welded up. Just realize the bolt holes don't line up. I think I'm going to call that a win. Alright, with that bracket welded in, kind of roughly mock up everything here to see where we put the ignition box, module, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that will go there. The only thing I have to worry about is the kill switch. hot. Kill switch wire length. There. And a decent spot for this. That'll work. That'll allow me to hide these wires just a little bit. And the stator wires and everything will reach. That's going to be it right there. Alright, real quick, I just went ahead and I ground the paint off the edges of these little brackets. I'm going to go ahead and tack this side, check the other side. If it all looks good, we'll make it permanent. Let's see how we did, shall we? I know it looks kind of jumbled right now, but our wiring pass through right there. Zip tie it all up in the frame here. Keep it kind of hidden as much as I can anyway. There we are. Electronics done. All right, day 9, short and sweet. Electronics are installed. Until this whole thing's painted and all the finishing touches are done, I can't do anything with the wiring and clean that up until it's all together. But it is installed. That's a complete system. Pretty thankful that's a very simple system with very few components to make this thing run, so that's a good thing. We're getting close to getting this motor up and running. Got to do a carbon clean on it for sure. Got to figure out an intake for it. And I've got to do some modifications to the exhaust because I don't want to use the stock muffler. I have a pretty special plan for the exhaust on it. Here's a little glimpse. But anyway, make sure you guys stick along. This next video should be pretty interesting. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep putting videos out until this thing's done. And I've got more projects lined up after this. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. So thanks again, guys.